Listen, I'm a psycho bitch for highlight, okay? I'm the highlight goddess. I'm the highlight queen, ho. Please. Bitch, I told you I'm the fucking queen. I need to be humbled right now. Hey guys, it's Alessya. Hey guys, it's Alessya. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are doing an updated makeup tutorial. This is highly requested. I've changed up my makeup a lot throughout the past year. So I'm gonna show you guys my updated makeup and how I do it. It's literally gonna get dark in 20 minutes, so there's gonna be a huge lighting change throughout this video. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Why haven't I been on YouTube for a month? And the answer is, I'm depressed. I'm kidding, but I'm not. And as you can see, I have a fat ass pimple. Like, it's huge. I am so fucking cold. But the furnace is broken, so. Okay, but I actually am sorry that I was not here for like a month. You know what's crazy? My camera had a beauty filter, and I was like, let me take it off because it's just so ugly, but I think this tops it. Okay, let's just get started. Okay, I'm moving the light there. Is that better? Was I in shitty lighting the whole time? So first we're gonna prime. I didn't prime before, like ever. If I primed in my last makeup tutorial, I can't remember if I primed, but I was lying to you. I don't know what I used, but it's not mine. Anyway, I saw that it was like really important, and then I started and it made a huge difference. So yeah. Okay, so we have this. I literally just ordered it off Amazon. This is a serum, which I saw was good. I don't know why. I was enjoying that way too much to speak to you. Am I putting a lot? Yeah. Do I care? No. This does make the skin glow. Also, if you don't know why I'm tapping it in like this, it's because I saw a girl do it and now I want to do it. And it feels pretty good. There's a hair. Okay, I'm literally shivering here. My furnace is broken. Okay, and next we go in with the actual primer. This is NYX Do Me Up. It's like really slimy. Yeah, it's getting everywhere, but it's so good. So even though the, bro. Again, guys, this is a primer. It's a primer. I'm also tapping this in because I can. This has like golden flakes in it, and they don't really go on my face. Like, I don't know. There's nothing there. Sorry, I had to take a thumbnail. Okay, so I forgot that I just bought this. It's a serum and a primer. So I'm gonna put that all over my face. Oh my God, wow. This feels so good and it smells so good. Wow. Love it. Okay, here's the part you're gonna have to hear me out for. So I use this foundation. Hello, the Too Faced Born This Way. Love it. I don't know, I've been using it. This is the only thing I use, actually. I've been using this same foundation since literally like 7th grade. And I've been too scared to try any other ones because this one's just fine. So yeah, but hear me out. It's like not my shade. I ran out of my less tan shade, so we're gonna have to use the medium tanned shade. And then I have another one that's like really tanned, so we're not using that. I have light beige, I think, natural beige, and warm beige, because I'm addicted. So today we're using, hello, the natural beige, when I should be using the light beige. So let's just get into it. Like, you can already tell that's, no, but I'm gonna make it better. And then I blend it down my neck. Bro, my forehead's like dry and it won't blend on my forehead. And I spent so long off camera trying to blend it and it won't. Okay, now that that's done and I look stupid, I'm going in with this Studio Fix MAC powder. It's a pressed powder in NC40. This is what makes me look somewhat normal again, and then we're gonna continue the process. This honestly makes my face so smooth. Like, it's not even funny. Like, this smooths out and sets the foundation so good. Oh, and I'm stupid and I forgot to do concealer. We're using this concealer. It's like really light, so it'll make my under eyes look normal. And I'm literally going to put it on here and then onto my face because that's what makes it look smooth. I don't know. So I'm just gonna rub it on there a bit and then put it on my under eyes and then extend it out. And it goes on so smooth like this. I don't know why. Okay, and I'm gonna bring it up into the forehead just to add a bit of dimension. Okay, continuing with the powder. But I don't do my under eyes with this powder. Oh my god, you guys didn't tell me my foundation wasn't blended on my eyelid. And then since I'm wearing a ponytail, I'm gonna go on my ear a bit with the powder. And then blend it down my neck. Okay, next we are going in with the Shade and Light contour palette. Okay, I'm gonna take some banana powder. And honestly, I go pretty generous to the point where it looks weird because I could literally swipe it off. Okay, as you can see, there's more dimension to my face now, and I'm literally just gonna go like this. And then I also wanna go here with it, just a bit. Okay, next we're going in with this shade right here. And I'm going more up. I don't know. I want a snatched look. And then I'm gonna blend it up this way so I look even more snatched. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it on my forehead too. I literally contour my nose just like that, just subtly. Okay, snatched. Next I'm going in with this Tarte blush. And then I'm going just right on top of my contour. And then I'm also going on my nose a bit and around it. Here is my base. Here's my brow pencil. Literally any brow pencil. I don't even care. And I just go a bit. I literally just shade it a tiny bit. More on the end, less in the front. And then I don't even brush it out. I just go like this. And then same to the other one. I'm just adding more color into them. After that, I literally just go in with any brow gel. I have this one. It's honestly shit, don't get it. And then I brush kind of up, even though this literally doesn't make it stay. Listen, I'm a psycho bitch for highlight, okay? I'm the highlight goddess. I'm the highlight queen, oh. Actually, I'm the Fenty Beauty highlight queen. I literally have a million. Some I don't know where they are right now. I have 2 more. This is the shade Trophy Wife. This is the shade How Many Carrots. And listen, I'm gonna mix them because I've tried many combinations and this one is just amazing, like honestly. So first I'm gonna go in with the more gold. This highlighter will forever amaze me. Like honestly, oh my god. We are gonna go in with the white, the more white shade. And I don't know what it is about it because the gold one is just too yellow and the clear one is just too not pigmented. But them together, it just makes this like, can you please look at this right now? Please. Bitch, I told you I'm the fucking queen. I need to be humbled right now. Okay, so I set my face before I do my lips or my lashes. I don't know why I've always done that. This highlighter is absolutely just, yeah. Next, I'm going in with lips. I'm using the Rimmel London in Cappuccino. I love this so much. And if y'all sell this out, if y'all sell this out, no, we're gonna have a problem. And I fill them on the top. And then like that on the bottom, just to give definition. And then you can literally go in with any clear gloss you have, it doesn't matter. Okay, those are the lips. I love it. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Okay, then I go in with mascara. I'm using the Arbonne Speak Volumes mascara. Okay, I just finished the mascara and this is the completed look. Oh my god, this highlighter, bitch. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you like the completed look. Actually, I already know you do, girl. Go to makeup. Sorry, I'm obsessed with the highlighter. I'm like, anyway, I feel like a ponytail was kind of fitting for this because my hair would be in my face the whole time. You guys asked, so you shall receive, bitch. Here's the makeup. Did I miss any products? Did I show you the setting spray? I didn't. Here's the setting spray. Sorry guys, again, for going ghost for like a month. I've had a lot on my plate, but I'm in my second semester, so it's gonna be less stressful and I will be posting more. I swear. I can't stop fucking looking at myself. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below what you want to see from me next, share with your friends, click the bell to get notified every time I post, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you.